Hello everyone, today we will try to learn the bauxite producing area with tricks. Before getting into the tricks, I like to share some information regarding the bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material for making aluminum. It is used as a raw material for making aluminum. It is not a specific mineral but a rock consisting mainly of hydrated aluminum oxides. It is clay-like substance which is pinkish, whitish or reddish in color depending on the amount of iron contained. So it is a clay-like substance and it can be available in pinkish, whitish or reddish in color depending on the iron content. So here we are with the bauxite deposits which are found in India. So we are going to learn these deposit areas with a trick. Now how the trick is, Amar mail Korean cat to Bilas. So Amar send the Korean cat to Bilas through the mail. So how this trick is going to help us to learn the areas where the bauxite deposits are found. Okay, now listen to word. The first word Amar says for Amarkantha. As you can see, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Next is Mail is for Maikela Hills, which is in Chhattisgarh. As you can see in Chhattisgarh, we can see Maikela Hills. Then the Korean stands for Koraput, Odisha, which is an important place, a deposit where we can find a large amount of bauxite in India. Then followed by cat stands for Katni, that is in again it is in Madhya Pradesh. Amarkantha, Kanthak and Katni both are in Madhya Pradesh. Then we have the last word which is Bilas stands for Bilaspur, which is in Chhattisgarh. So these are the deposits which you can learn through the short trick, that is Amar mail Korean cat to Bilas. So it will help you to learn the bauxite deposits which are found in India. So here is the map where you can find all these areas. That is in Madhya Pradesh. We can see two areas are there which are famous for its bauxite deposits. One is the Katni and another is Amarkanthak. You can see in Madhya Pradesh. Next is in Chhattisgarh, just adjacent area where we can find two deposits, a bauxite deposit. One is in Bilaspur, another was in Maikeli Hills. Then just opposite to Chhattisgarh we have Odisha, where you can find the Koraput, and it is famous for its bauxite deposits in India. So now we are going to discuss the bauxite producing states. So till now we have gone through only the famous deposits which are found in India, bauxite deposits which are found in India. Now we are going to concentrate on the bauxite producing states which are located in India. So we are going to learn this all the states name through a trick. The trick is CM got jam in Kerala. So he was searching jam and he was fond of jam. So CM got jam in Kerala. So how this short code is going to help us to learn the states. Okay, now listen to letter to letter. The C stands for Chhattisgarh, followed by M stands for Maharashtra. Then we have G stands for Gujarat, O stands for Odisha, and T stands for Tamil Nadu. Followed by J stands for Jharkhand, A stands for Andhra Pradesh, and M stands for Madhya Pradesh, and Kerala stands for Kerala. So CM got jam in Kerala, where in is unimportant, you can skip that. So it will help us to learn all the states where bauxite are available. Now you can see all these states where the bauxite mines you can find. So that in the last slide I already told you that that trick will help you to learn all these bauxite mines where the states are located. Now first we are going to discuss about the Chhattisgarh bauxite mines. So in Chhattisgarh we can find the bauxite in this following areas, and we are going to learn this following areas with a short trick, which is Raj chat with Bill for drug. So Raj had a chat with Bill. Bill is the name of a person for drug. So how this short code is going to help us to learn, as that is the Raj stands for Rajgarh, as you can see in the map. That is Rajgarh is there. Then we have chat is for Chhattisgarh, so it will remind that this short trick is for Chhattisgarh area. Then we have bill stands for Bilaspur, and drug is for Durg. So these are the three areas, that is Rajgarh, Bilaspur and Durg. You can see in the map where you can find the bauxite mines. Another we gets into the region of Madhya Pradesh, and here we can find four areas where bauxite mines are situated. So we are going to learn this all the areas through a short trick, that is Mad Shah made Bala rebel. So Mad Shah irritated Bala so much that he went into rebellion. So he rebelled against Shah. So Mad Shah made Bala rebel. So how this is going to work and how it will help us to learn the bauxite mines which are situated in Madhya Pradesh, that is MAD stands for Madhya Pradesh. So it will remind us that the short trick is related to Madhya Pradesh region. Another is Shah. Shah stands for Shahadol, as you can see in the map. Then we have made is for Mandla, that is just near to Jabalpur. Then we have Bala stands for Balaghat, and Ribal stands for Jabalpur. Ribal, you have to associate with that, Ribal Jabal. So Ribal Jabal, so Ribal stands for Jabalpur. So these are the four areas which you can find in Madhya Pradesh, and you can learn this with the short trick Mad Shah made Bala rebel. Another region is Gujarat. So how we can learn the areas or bauxite mines which are found in Gujarat. Now the trick is Khira Jam of Amrit Bar, Gujarat, much in June. So they used to make in Amrit Bar, it's the name of a bar where the jam is made of Khira. So it is in Amrit Bar is in Gujarat, and there the jam is made of Khira, and which is available much in June. So Khira jam of Amrit Bar, Gujarat, which is available much in June. So you can learn this, you have to learn this short trick, and it will help us to locate the areas which where we can find bauxite mines. So how it is going to work? Khira stands for Kheda district, as you can see in the map. Then jam stands for Jamnagar. Then we have Amrit stands for Amreli. Bar stands for Sabarkantha. Gujarat stands for Gujarat, so it will remind us that the short trick is related to Gujarat. Much stands for Kutch, and June stands for Junagadh. So this trick, that is Khira jam of Amrit Bar, Gujarat, much available in June. So it will help us to learn all the areas where we can find the bauxite mines in Gujarat. So our next region is Odisha. So here you can find 5 bauxite mines, and now we are going to learn this with a short trick, that is Bala Kal Samsung for OD service. So Bala Kal Samsung and OD, it's neither Samsung has to do anything with OD, but it is a short trick which will help you to learn all the places where you can find the bauxite mines in Odisha. Okay, now how it is going to work? Now Bala stands for Balangir, as you can see in the map. Then we have Kal is for Kalahandi. As you can see in the map, Kalahandi is also located there. Then we have Samsung is divided into Sam and Sung. So the Sam portions is for Sambalpur. Then we have Sung, that is Sundargarh. Then for Koraput, which is famous for its bauxite mines. Then OD is for Odisha. So OD will remind you that the code is related to the Odisha region. So Bala, Kal, Samsung for OD service, where service is unimportant. So this code will help you to learn the bauxite mines which are available in Odisha. So now we entered into the region of Tamil Nadu, and here the code is Tamil made sale nil. So the Tamil people went to the market to make the sale, but they were unable to sell. So the statement is Tamil made sale nil. So they were unable to make any sale. So this short code will help us to learn all the regions, all the bauxite mines which are available in Tamil Nadu. That is, Tamil stands for Tamil Nadu, made stands for Madurai, sale stands for Salem, Nil stands for Nilgiris. So these are the three regions which are in Tamil Nadu where you can find the bauxite mines. Now we move into the region of Jharkhand, where you can find four regions. So this how we can learn these four regions. The short trick is Dalton run. Dalton is the name of the person. Dalton is a thief and he ran with low cost gum jar. So Dalton ran with low cost gum jar. So with the jar, it was the jar has the content of gum, and the Dalton, because he is a thief, so he took that gum with him. So now how it is going to work? So Dalton that is Daltonganj. Then ran stands for Ranchi. Low stands for Loha Daga. Then gum stands for Gumla. JAR will remind you that the code is related to Jharkhand. So Dalton run with low cost gum jar will help you to learn and locate the areas or the bauxite mines which are available in Jharkhand. Now we are into the area of Andhra Pradesh. Now the trick is east or west visa god of Andhra Pradesh is best. So it will help you to learn all the places which are located in Andhra Pradesh. East stands for East Godavari, West stands for West Godavari, Visa stands for Visakhapatnam, God stands for Godavari, and AP will remind you that this code is related to Andhra Pradesh. So the code is east or west visa god of AP is best. There is nothing like visa god, but it's just a simple trick. You can learn this trick to remind all the bauxite mines which are available in Andhra Pradesh. Now we are into the region of Maharashtra. So what the trick is all about? The trick says Maharat. Maharat means big rat sat on coal tank of Pune. So the big rat, or you can say Maharat, sat on coal tank of Pune. So how the code will help us to learn the regions or the bauxite mines which are available in Maharashtra. Now Maha stands for Maharashtra, so it will remind us that the trick is related to Maharashtra. Rat stands for Ratnagiri, Sat stands for Satara, Coal stands for Kolhapur, Tank stands for Thane, Pune stands for Pune. So this way we can learn all the bauxite mines which are situated in Maharashtra. Now here we are in Kerala. In Kerala we can find three regions where the bauxite mines are there. So the trick is Kerala can sail coal through van. So this is the trick which will help you to learn all the regions which are situated in Kerala. Now Kerala stands for Kerala, can stands for Kannur, sail is unimportant, coal stands for Kollam, through van means Tiruvandhupuram, through van Tiruvandhupuram. So this is all about the areas where we can find the bauxite mines in India. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us and click on the notification bell, as it will inform you when we will launch our new videos. Thanks for watching.